welcome back. Today I'm going to bring you another wig review, and it's going to be on the unit that I purchased from Sam's Beauty called the Daily Wig. Here it is. This is the Daily Wig. It came in this package, and if you're new here and you like this kind of content, beauty, health, wig reviews, lifestyle, then hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Anyway, we're going to get right into this unit. I purchased this unit with my own coins, so I'm going to give you the real on this unit. I'm going to give you the pros and cons, and I'm going to give you the specs. Here we go. I'm going to take it out of the packaging, and I'm going to let you know what I think about this wig. Okay, this is a synthetic unit by Outre, and here is the stock card. Okay, and the name of the wig is Outre, and Outre is a synthetic wavy textured unit, and right off the bat I can see that it's very nice, super nice. These are the curls on the wig. Looks really beautiful, right? Okay, so let me tell you that there is absolutely no lace to cut off. I love that. It does come with a strap in the back. I have never had a synthetic unit or even a human hair unit that came with a strap already attached. That's already a plus. Okay, so it has the 4-inch part, and here's the strap. Okay, it has 1, 2, 3 combs, but I don't think I'll be using the combs because it already comes with a strap, and I don't like combs anyway in my units. And look how pretty this is, y'all. It is a little shiny. It does have the smell of a synthetic unit, which that disappears in a couple of days or a couple of wears, so I'm not worried about that too much. But I do like the unit, and the part in the front looks pretty good already. I might have to put a little concealer though in the part, but that's okay. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna go off camera, and I'm gonna put this wig on so you ladies could see exactly what it looks like. Okay, I shall be back. Hello lovelies, I am back with the unit on. As you can see, it's a very pretty unit. Now, I did notice that it's not very thick, but I do like the density of this wig. Okay, I'm going through it. I don't notice any shedding really, and what I had to do was I had to go and pluck the part a little. This is how much hair came out, and now I'm going to tell you like the cons of this wig. The cons, it's kind of synthetic looking right in the beginning. I think the curl is very pretty though, and I also think that the parting was really tight, and I had to pluck that hair out, and it wasn't that easy to pluck this hair. I was afraid that I was going to put a hole in it, because if you're not careful plucking out hair, you can put a hole in it. And this unit is very long. Okay, and let me show you how long the unit is. Okay, it comes down to like my waist, and in the back, let's see how long that is, if you can see this. Okay, this comes all the way down past my hips, I believe. Yes, a little bit past my hip. So it is a very long unit. I'm gonna cut the unit down because I like it long, but I just don't like it this long. I like it about maybe armpit length. I think that's very nice. And I do believe this is an everyday unit. You know, you can throw your hat on with it, or you can wear it as is. I like the curl pattern on the wig. I think it looks very nice. And I could see this as an everyday. I didn't really comb it out too much because I don't really like hair that voluminous. But I think for everyday, this is perfect. If you want to cut it down, you can. And if you want to wear it long like this, you can. A lot of people like it long. You know, I guess that's why it comes long like this. This is about 28 inches, I would say. You know, so that's a bit much for me, but I do like it. It's actually, it's really pretty. And you don't have to do anything with it. That's one of the pros, is that there's no lace to cut off. You don't have combs. You don't have to use the combs that are in the wig. The wig lies very flat, you know, so I just like the fact that I don't have to do much to it. Hopefully, as the days go on, it will look a little less of a synthetic unit than it does now, and the smell will go away. Also, one con I could see already that might happen is that because it's so long, you might get a little tangling on the end of the wigs. But to fix that, just make sure you keep running your fingers through to the end when you wear the wig. And then if it gets really very crunchy as it gets older, you can always cut it down. So, I mean, I think for this wig, which didn't really cost that much, I think this was $21 or something. I'm not sure, but I will link the price down in the description box. So overall, I do believe this is a daily wig. You hardly get any shedding. It's very versatile. I mean, you could cut this down. You could put it on your right side on part, or you can wear it on the left side for a part, and you can also wear it in the middle. Overall, I would say I would give this wig a 4 out of 5 rating. I would give this wig a 4. Yeah, 4. Yeah, I was gonna say a 4.5, but there are a few little things that I would need to tweak, like the parting and cutting the wig down, and this wig will possibly tangle quickly. So I don't know how long this wig is going to last. They say it's a daily wig. I do believe it because you don't have to really do that much to it, you know? And